Nkiama ya kunenkanĩrio tongeria ndene ya kanisa ya Methodist ni baitĩte mukana kiri wari uria wari bishop wa kanisa unwe Bishop Tombura mukana jo munene atige gweta na mbere kurungamira kanitha ukiri biatho mwanya na atige kwithongeria ngugine iria atibatere kwithirwa akirutani utukanya kawe nigakurukire baugite kithira tio bakajukia gitagarira kiwatho kithira Tombura atitigana na mutugo jojo Boniface Mungera gatutariria.
Members of the Methodist Church in Kenya.
Bishop Isende WAATHO KANICA Bishop munene wa cha Methodist kagitene gaka bare amwe na Kristo bo bange bashimerete na wengine komura Bishop Tombura atige kurugana na wikira kanisa mururu etekire KANICA igakinyirira muthia DEYE ARIUGA Tombura nethiritwe na karumenyeria kawita micemanione ni nyakagita kangi kwandika baruga ni nyako China na kaigwatiria bando nowe Bishop munene wa kanisa cha Methodist
that the immediate former presiding bishop will comply with the court orders. Thus, we implore him to withdraw all the communications that he has been sending to various organizations and individuals while claiming to be the presiding bishop of the Methodist Church in Kenya.
Na nonto bogetumye kinande betumana kire Bishop Tombura BAMWIKIA ashokera kujura mukoro karontimya shokera rotero anchero nonto arega nkundina nkobisha gisheria ikethro shemuririra janga ye muratho.
We sincerely hope that he will heed to this advice as failure to do so would amount to contempt of court. In conclusion, as the Methodist Church in Kenya family, we remain indebted
kiumia kethiru koti nene ya Nairobi na itiririgire kire Tombura na kumura kanisa Methodist nethero emiona katumbia kuraja na kaigwathania yo mokiga thiro ithikirwa richirwe na rikinyire muthia.
A court upheld the rights of the excluded ministers and excommunicated members whose names were published in the Daily Nation of 17th December 2021 to continue worshiping and participating in leadership in the Methodist Church in Kenya. We thank the court for agreeing with an earlier decision by the Standing Committee of the Conference that the rights and privileges of those ministers and members be reinstated immediately without conditions.
Idhurana biagosho Bishop munene kana president Bishop wa kanisa ibiriri kwithira bithika katika murijo twetete kire kyithurana kyano conference ala delegate kana rungamiri kumakirisi ni mwanya bakithira beringa kura kulingana mitaratara ya Methodist.
Due to the prevailing calm, peace and reconciliation, the church was able to hold very successful conference June committees meetings that last week as scheduled, and we are now preparing for the annual conference meeting slated for 19th to 20th of July 2023.
Reporter Antosharu TV Njuma kumaja kengina kinene kembushusha Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.